our Bhagavad Gita is produced in battlefield. In battlefield. So why should I deny battle? No. When there is a need for fighting, there must be fighting. This world is like that. Otherwise there is no need of fighting. But there is a class of men who will fight. Still it is existing. When there is fight, those who are meant for military purposes, they fight. Not the civilians go and fight. No. Similarly, in the society, there must be division. Not that everyone should be called, come on, we go to fight. Now, where is his training? That was not the system. First of all, Chaturvarnam Maya system, these children, according to strict Vedic principle, by practical psychology, they should be tested. What is the tendency of this boy? There can be four kinds of tendencies. Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. Some child is to become a Brahmana, some child is to become a Kshatriya, some child is to become a Vaishya, and the rest Shudra, they do not. Shudra does not require any training. Shudra means no training, ordinary worker class. Otherwise, other three, especially two, namely the Brahmanas and Kshatriyas, they require very magnificent training, because they will administer the whole affairs of the society. So, Brahmanas, they would give advice to the Kshatriyas, and Kshatriyas, according to their advice, would rule over the citizens. This was the system. Chaturvarnam Maya system, Gunakarma Vibhaga. Vibhaga, by division of quality and worth. The Brahman must be qualified and at the same time work as a Brahman. So we are training especially our students to become qualified Brahman. We cannot take up all other departments. Similarly, others may take up the line of training, military men, others may take it. There are training classes. Many mercantile farm, you can get your lesson. So there was organized method to train this mercantile man, administrator and Brahman. So Vidura, although he was born of Shudra mother, his mother was Shudra, maid servant. Formerly, when a prince was married, along with the princess, a few dozens of maid servants would go with the king. So, to become king, always it is to be understood, he has to maintain more than one wife. That is king. Even in Mohammedan kingdom, Nawab Wazir Ali Shah, after the Mughal period, in Lucknow, he would go. So he had 164 wives, begums, and all of them had children. And when Britishers occupied, the Britishers had to give them pension according to this share. So amongst the Mohammedans also, polygamy was allowed. Hindus, especially the higher class, Brahmana and Kshatriya, polygamy is allowed. Now they have made laws, but that is quite natural. If every woman has to be married, then polygamy must be there. Otherwise, how every woman is going to get a husband? Because male population is always shorter than the female population. So Vidura was born of a maid servant. The father was the king. The father was the same. Maharaj, Yudhishthira, Dhritarashtra. And the father of Vidura the same, but the mother different. So, Vidura, because he was not born of the queen, he had no share in the throne. But Dhritarashtra loved him very much. Although stepmother's son, he would like him very much because he was very intelligent. So in every occasion, he would consult with him. And his consultation was so valuable that later on it became Boidirikam, a consultation as expert as given by Vidura. So he was invited. Diplomacy, politics were going on. How to cheat the Pandavas, that was his politics, Dhritarashtra. Dhritarashtra was born blind, although he was eldest son of his father, but he was born blind. So he could not occupy the throne. His next brother, younger brother, Pandu, the father of the Pandavas, he occupied. He became king. Now, this Pandu died at an early age, and the sons of Pandu, they were minor children. So Dhritarashtra took charge for their maintenance and his other sons. But his policy was that I could not be elevated on the throne because I was blind. But actually the kingdom belongs to me. So anyway, my brother occupied the throne, now he is dead and gone. So why his son should be king? My son should be king. These were the politics. So he was trying how to kill the Pandavas from the very beginning, and Vidura was restraining him. So this is the subject matter. He called Vidura Parisavika. Vidura, he disclosed everything to Vidura. Vidura said, no, you cannot do that. That will be discussed next morning. Thank you very much.